You look pretty cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Melinda and I post cute cozy little videos on my channel. So this is like the coziest corner on the internet to do your arts and crafts together, and if you love anything cozy, you should definitely follow this channel for more videos like that. So in this video I was thinking of DIYing my dream fall wardrobe. So in Africa we don't really call like winter or autumn fall. I just think it's a really cute name to call it. So I'm going to be designing my dream skirt. So I'm thinking of this really pretty drawstring skirt that I've been seeing all over my Instagram and my Pinterest. It's just like a giant rectangle, and then there's just like strings on the edges. And then I was thinking of doing a cute little like set. So I'm gonna use this gingham fabric that I bought recently that I think is super cute and would look really good with this skirt. And I have enough fabric this time, so it's gonna have the proper volume that I want. So I'm going to use the gingham fabric to make a cute little set type of thing, because I'm a very insecure person about like my physique. So I thought doing something I'm more comfortable with instead of like a fitted like cute set that the girlies usually wear, I'm just going to do a flowier version of that. Basically I'm thinking of doing that, and then I'm also thinking of making a cute little crochet beret hat, like a newsboy cap, but I'm not sure yet because of my current hairstyles. And guys, guess what, I did my hair myself. Like I did it myself. Isn't that so cute? Like I finally learned how to do my own hair. It's something that I've always wanted to do, but I was so self-conscious about it because I was like, if it's not perfect, I'm gonna hate it. But I chose to do this one because I felt like it was easy and it's super cute, and I'm paying tribute to African hairstyles that I've been seeing all over my Pinterest that our ancestors used to wear. So I thought it would be super cute if I paid tribute to them by wearing a style that they used to wear. It's like African threading but with little pom-poms at the edges. So I thought they were super cute, and I wanna like incorporate more African like heritage into my style. So I thought doing this hairstyle was just like perfect. I'm not sure if I'm going to do anything else, but I think the set, like the maxi skirt with the cute little top and then the crochet beret, I'm not sure if I'm gonna make other things. Grab your hook, crochet project or sewing project that you're working on, and let's get cozy together. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also random, someone made an edit of me, like one of my supporters who watches my YouTube, one of you guys made an edit of me, and I was like so psyched to see it. It's so cute and I feel like it's so me-core, and I was genuinely so psyched to see it because I was like, I've never had an edit, and I was just like, you guys, someone like watches my stuff. I was just like, that's so cool, that's so cool.
Tested it out with some of this periwinkle dye. And I wear this.
There was a thread in my mouth, so I just cut up a giant panel that was 2 times the size of my waist, and I cut that in half. And then because the tutorials that I was finding on TikTok were super confusing, they were talking as if like we're all advanced seamstresses, so I just decided to make it up myself because I was just like, I don't understand anything this woman is saying, so I'm just gonna make it up as I go. And I'm just gonna trust the fact that like I'm using my crochet skills on how drawstrings work there on this, and I'm hoping that it's the exact same thing, it's just a different material. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. So now I'm just finishing up the unfinished hems. So I've already overlocked, zigzag stitched this part, so I'm just gonna do this part now, and then I'm going to fold over and then do one single straight stitch all the way around. So yeah, I'm almost done, and then I have to do the part I dread the most, the strap. I hate like it stresses me so much, I don't know why, but like we're gonna conquer our fears today. You say I'm a woman.
To watch The Walking Dead. So, right now.
skirt is looking like right now. It's just like a giant rectangle, to be honest, because you know me, I do not know how to use a pattern yet, so we will not be using any patterns for a while. Hi guys, so it's the next day and I finished the skirt, like I finished it and everything, but I genuinely hated it. I thought it was hideous and it made me look so big, like it was over dramatizing my hips and stuff, and that's what the inspo pic looks like. But I feel like it looks so much better on other girls and it does not look good on me. Like it makes me look so big, like huge. And I also feel like if you want to make it look super cute, you have to wear it low raised, and I'm someone who likes to put my maxi skirts like up to the T of my waist, so it wasn't very flattering on my body type. I feel like if you're a much like chubbier, thicker girl, I feel like it looks so good on those girlies. Like I feel like it eats down with them, especially because like they wear their like skirts really low-waisted and it just eats that way, and I don't like wearing mine low-waisted because I don't like my stomach area. So I'm thinking of doing something else. So I came up with this idea to do a cute little gingham set. Like I've always wanted one. I saw one on one of my favorite South African YouTubers. Her name is Tato, and I thought it looked really cute on her. Hers is like more form-fitting, and because I know my body type doesn't look like hers, I'm going to try to customize it to me, to fit me and to make me more comfortable, because I don't have all that, you know, lusciousness that she does. But I think she's super cute because I love the way she dresses like so much, and then I'm just gonna customize it to make it more me core, and I'm gonna add like little bows to the sides of the shorts, because I feel like it would look a little bit boring if it just looked like normal boxer shorts. And I'm not using a pattern because I don't know how to use patterns, but I kind of have to because there's no other way to make shorts. So I saw a lot of the TikTok girlies were doing something where they like draw it out like your normal pants onto like a sheet of paper and then cut out the fabric that way. I hope I still have enough fabric because that skirt took a lot of fabric. I think that's why I was crashing out yesterday, because it didn't come out the way I wanted and it didn't fit me the way that I thought it would. And then I like literally spent so much money buying that fabric. But I'm learning and I'm trying not to be so hard on myself. I have this really toxic trait where like I will hyperfixate on something for long hours of time, and then when it doesn't come out the way I want, I just want to give up and just quit it. But yeah, I'm trying not to do that because it's like it's really not that deep. Like there's no one putting a gun to my head, and I'm learning. Like this is literally like my second project and like I'm already crashing out. Like Melinda, come on. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing now. So sorry to disappoint anyone who probably thought the skirt was cute. I didn't like it on me. It made me look like somebody else, and I want to look like me. And yeah, and also excuse how crazy my hair looks. Like this hair, if it's not put away like this, it comes into my face, and I'm trying to sew. I don't need balls flying in my face. So yeah. So I've done my panels and now I can cut out my fabric. I'm super nervous because this is my first time using like a supposed pattern, I guess, because I self-drafted it, but this is my first time. Let me not try to be too much of a perfectionist, but I really hope these come out well because I actually would like to wear them. Hey guys, so mini update. I've done basically the body of the short, but it's looking like too big. Like I feel like I put way too much seam allowance and like all of that stuff. So I'm just praying that once I add the elastic, it'll like shrink up at the top. I don't want them to be too boxy. Like I don't want them to be huge. Like this is kind of scaring me, I won't lie, because my hips are not that big. But overall, I think it looks super cool. Like I actually can't believe it worked. Like I know I followed the tutorial for a team, but like I'm actually still shocked that it like actually worked. So now I'm gonna add the elastic and do the last seams here and everything, and I hope it comes out cute. Please. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I finally finished the shorts. They look huge, but like they fit me, right? And I like the way that they flare at the edges. But the problem is here, like in my what part of the body is this? Whatever. Like the front part, it's looking like very big, and I'm not sure how to fix that, because in the tutorial she like did this and then she sewed it, but when I did that I couldn't even let it pass my head, so I decided to just use the elastic like I normally do, just thread it through like this channel over here. So but now like it's huge here and I don't know how to fix that, but I feel like let me just do my top today and then try to fix that later. But if I can't fix that today, then I'll just leave it. I don't really feel like trying to figure it out because I like them, but like they look cute like this, but then when you put them on, and it's kind of giving pajama pants, but I don't care. I'm still gonna wear it outside. Like I really don't care. I've cut out my pieces, so now I'm going to start sewing like the side seams and stuff. Okay guys, so here's the progress on the shirt. So this part, oh my gosh, it was a disaster. It was so hard to get it like circular. It's kind of giving like a different shape, but I don't care. But now I'm going to add like this part of the shirt, like the bottom part, like the little ruffly part, and then I'm gonna make the ties on the side like little bows. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking of doing, but it looks pretty cute on my skin tone, so that's a plus, I guess. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and finish it today and then I'll do the final set reveal tomorrow. Hi everyone, so it's been officially a day after the last few clips and we finally finished the set. I think the set is super cute for a beginner, but it's kind of giving pajama pants. I won't lie, it's kind of giving pajama pants and I don't know how I feel about that. Like it's so cute, but then it's also giving pajama. And the only grievances I personally have is the neckline. Like it's not fully circular, if you can see. Like it's kind of giving, it's not giving smooth, and I think that's just how I cut out the pattern. But overall it's so cute. I think that it's so cute. Like it looks super cute on, like, and I have so many different ways that I want to style it. I think that for a beginner, I think I did a pretty good job. Like I think it's actually really cute and I'm obsessed with it. Like I'm more obsessed with the shirt more than I am with the shorts. Like the shorts kind of fit weird, like it's kind of giving camel toe, but I don't know how to fix that, and maybe that's just how they're supposed to fit. But overall, super cute for a beginner. Even like a color on me, my complexion, I think it flatters my complexion a lot and it looks super cute. So I'm super proud of myself and I think this was a good project to do. It was a bit challenging because I kind of had to figure out the shirt myself. So I think next I'm going to do the beret, or I'm going to do a batwing top that I would have always wanted, but like I'll see, because I don't know if I'm in a sewing mood today because I've been sewing for the past like 5 days straight, so I'm kind of tired of sewing. But yeah, I'm super proud of it and super cute. I love the little bow ties. I think that's my favorite part, like the bow ties on the sides. So tea, so cute. But yeah, it's giving very much me core. I love it so much. Yeah.
My second big project that took a lot of time was all these little patches that I made for my first.
I need a pack. Struggling with the white parts. You see, it's not as crisp. These press-on nails.
So these are the only buttons that I could find. I feel like these ones are the closest to making a cute thing because I could only find black ones and I feel like the black just throws it off a little bit too much. So I think I'm gonna sew on these lilac purple ones. So yeah.
For me to leave this country. So as soon as he moved that morning to leave, I called up my mom that same morning.
Hi guys, so it's a few days later and I finally finished with the Newsboy cap. I think it came out pretty cute. Like I'm not normally someone who looks good in hats, but I think this one looks pretty good on me. And I just paired it with this brown sweater because pink and brown is a really cute color combo, and I'm wearing these hoop earrings. But I think this came out pretty cute. Like I obviously the set is so much better, but this is the last item we're making in this video. I had planned to do 3 items, but then because the skirt didn't work out, I was just like, I mean, I did do 3 because that one I just scrapped it because I didn't like it on me. But yeah, we've reached the end of the video, and I think that I really like this hat. Like, it's actually so much cuter than I thought it would be. Like, if anyone knows me, like if you know me in person, you know that I don't look good in hats, and you know that I don't like hats, but this one is actually really cute and I like it, and I like the pink. I wish it was in brown. I didn't have any brown scrap yarn, and I didn't feel like buying more yarn, so I just made this one, and I think it's so cute. Like, I feel like I look adorable in this, and it's giving like, I feel like if I wore like a short mini skirt and some boots, it would look so cute. But anyways, as always, thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.